Welcome back. Episode 3 of vector algebra. In first episode, I taught you all about basic information about vector algebra. In the second episode, we learn how to find out the sum of the two vectors. In the third episode, I am going to talk about the vector multiplication. We know that vector multiplication are two types. One is a dot product, another is a cross product. So, in this episode of vector algebra, I am going to teach you how to find out dot product. Suppose we got the two vectors, vector A and vector B. Vector A given by A1i plus A2j plus A3k and vector B given by B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Then A dot B given by the formula A dot B equals to A1B1 plus A2B2 plus A3B3. Let us understand this formula by taking one example. Example, find A dot B if A equals to 2i plus 3j plus 4k and vector B equals to I plus 6j plus 2k. We need to find A dot B here. So, comparing vector A and vector B, now A is compared with vector A equals to A1i plus A2j plus A3k implies A1 equals to 2, A2 equals to 3 and A3 equals to 4, and comparing vector B with B1i plus B2j plus B3k implies B1 equals to 1 and B2 equals to 6 and B3 equals to 2. Now A dot B, formula for A dot B nothing but A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. What is A1? 2. 2 into 1. What is A2? 3 and B2 6 plus A3 4 into 2. This is equals to 2 plus 18 plus 12 equals to 32. So result of A dot B is equals to 32. One more example, if vector A equals to I plus 5j plus 6k and vector B equals to 2i plus 8j minus 3k, and suppose we want to find out A dot B, then how to find out? You first see that I written below the I, j terms written below the j terms and k terms written below the k terms. After that, here is a 1, here is a 2, 1 into 2 plus here is a 5 and here is a 8, 5 into 8, here is a 6, here is a minus 3, so 6 into minus 3, so that is 2 plus 40 minus 18, so that is nothing but 40 minus 16, that is a 4, and here is a 2, so 24. Therefore A dot B equals to 24.